The Toyota GR Corolla is set to make a big splash in 2024 with the return of its Circuit Edition. The highlight of this edition is the new blue flame color option, which is sure to grab attention. The GR Corolla Circuit Edition features 18-inch black forged aluminum BBS wheels, which are lighter and add to the vehicle's performance. The exterior is further accentuated with a forged carbon fiber roof, large rear spoiler, black side rocker graphics, and black exterior accents. Inside, the car is fitted with Brin Naub suede and synthetic leather-trimmed sport seats with blue accents, a unique blue-striped GR shift knob, and blue accent stitching. The Circuit Edition also comes with a standard JBL Premium audio system with 8 speakers and an amplifier. Under the hood, the GR Corolla Circuit Edition is powered by a turbocharged G16 EGTS 1.6-liter 3-cylinder engine that delivers 300 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. The car is exclusively equipped with a 6-speed intelligent manual transmission with rev matching. The heart of the Circuit Edition is its GR4 all-wheel drive system, which was developed through rally racing. This system can adjust 4-wheel drive performance according to driving conditions with a twist of a dial and optimize drive power to each wheel. In terms of performance, the GR Corolla features a low center of gravity and a standard independent McPherson-type strut front suspension with circuit-tuned coil springs, shock absorbers, and stabilizer bars designed to maximize power delivery to all 4 wheels. It also features a double wishbone-type multi-link rear suspension system. Additionally, the 2024 model includes revisions such as new ribbed flange bolts and changes to the battery ground for better performance. The aerodynamics of the GR Corolla Circuit Edition come from a combination of aero panels, ducting, and added downforce from the rear diffusers and spoiler. For the 2024 model, there have been updates to the shape of the duct and the addition of aluminum sheets under the front and rear wheel wells for better vehicle stability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.